Hello there, it's Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to be able to set up a new iPhone from the scratch. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So this is actually the screen you're going to see if you reset your phone or you buy a new iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do is you tap the home button right here. If you are using the phone without this touch ID right here, you need to swipe up in order to just get this pop-up page, and then you're going to choose your language from here. So I'm from an English speaking country, so I'm going to tap on English, and then my region is going to be here. Automatically you're going to get your region right here. So I'm in Ghana right now, and I'm going to set it up from Ghana. So I'm going to tap like this, and it's going to set up my language right away. So we're going to wait for this to set up, and then the next pop-up page is going to come. So this is how it's going to show to you. If you like to set your iPhone manually, you can just tap on manually right here, and then you are going to connect to a Wi-Fi in order to just get everything done swiftly. So I'm going to type in my Wi-Fi password, then I click on join in order to connect to the Wi-Fi so that we get everything done. So it's going to connect to this Wi-Fi right away, and we're going to go to the next page. So it's now going to activate our iPhone right there. When it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so you're going to wait for a while for this to just activate. So I'm going to pause the video, and after it's done activating, I'm going to come to you guys and then we do the necessary setups. So this is the next page. We are going to get data and privacy, and we're going to click on continue. If we want to set our touch ID, we're going to do it right here. If we want to do it later, we can do it later. For the sake of this video, I don't want it to be lengthy. I'm just going to set this later. So I'm going to tap on later, don't use, and then I'm going to just set my phone passcode right away. So I'm just going to use. So per how you want to set up your iPhone, you can do right away from here. If you are trying to restore from your iCloud, like I said, or you have some stuff on your MacBook, or you want to restore from your MacBook or your PC, you can do right here. And then from another iPhone, you tap here, and then you move from an Android to an iPhone right here. So I want to do this very new, so I'm going to tap on don't transfer any apps and data. That is it right here, and I'm going to input my Apple ID from here. So basically that is what you need to do too. And then you hit on next when you are done tapping your Apple ID, and you come here, type your password. So when you're done inserting your Apple ID and password, you tap on next. I already have an iPad, so it's going to send a notification to my iPad, and I'm going to type in the passcode I'm going to get from my iPad in order to just get this connected. So that makes it very, very cool. So I'm going to click on allow on my iPad. If you have an iPhone already or an iPad already, this is the pop-up you're going to get. But if you don't have, you're not going to get any pop-ups like this. So I'm going to click on this and then type in the passcode I'm seeing on my iPad, and basically it's just going to sync right away. So it's going to connect, and I'm through. So I'm going to click on agree when I'm done from this side in order to just finish this setup right away. So this may take a few minutes, so I'll just pause this video from here, and when it's done with everything, I'm just gonna unpause it and then continue from there. So from here too, I have a MacBook, so it's asking me to type in my MacBook password, and basically that is what I'm going to do. So if you don't have a MacBook or an iPad, it's just going to go from here straight, and then you are good to go. So that is all. Okay, so I'm done typing in the password, so I'm going to click on continue, and then I'm going to click on continue, and then I'm going to screen time anything. I'm just going to click on continue on this, and I'm going to click on share my data in order to just make it very, very cool for them to just do stuff on my phone. So it's up to you to pick up from here. Either you want dark mode or light mode. So I think I'm going to pick on the dark mode. I'm going to tap on it. So this is the side you're going to set how sensitive you want your home button or your touch ID to be. And then I'm going to tap on standard, whichever way you want it. Maybe you want it zoomed or you want it standard. So I'm just going to tap on standard, and then you are done. Welcome to iPhone, and you get started. So basically it's just going to restart your phone right away from here when you're done, and that is all. So right now my phone is locked, and I'm just going to type in my passcode, and I'm done. So this is it, and I have everything set up, and that is all. So this is how we set up an iPhone, a new iPhone. And if you are new here, this was helpful, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.